Provence Residences is developed by award-winning developer MCC Land Singapore Limited. This brand new project is already hailed as one of the top executive condominium curated with quality finishes to match the functional layouts in every aspect all condominium owners desire. Provence Residences have all life essentials at its doorstep, from schools, shopping malls, parks, community center, and many more. At Canberra Plaza, it's a new generation mall with a supermarket, food courts, fast food restaurants, enrichment centers, water playground for children, and many more. At Bukit Canberra, it's a 12 hectares community hub which will provide amenities such as hawker center, polyclinic, largest public gym, and communal green spaces. Provence Residences is also the gateway to the rest of the city. With just a mere 6 minutes walk to Canberra MRT station, close proximity to major expressway and future north-south corridor. Do you know that for the past 5 years, the lower entry prices and close proximity to the Canberra MRT station have resulted in the brownstone and visionary ECs achieving much higher returns than their private condominium counterparts within the vicinity? Provence Residences is set to be the new iconic building in the north. The modernized French living executive condominium will definitely win the hearts of many. Do not miss this chance. Visit us at the Provence Residences EC Show Gallery to find out more.